Hello and welcome. I'm painting on this lovely little deep-edged canvas. I'm using a colour that I'd pre-mixed quite a while ago, and it was the green deep, and I mixed it with metallic gold, so it kind of sent it this lovely sparkling avocado colour. So I was basically coating my canvas with the paint before I start and do my next little embellishment to this lovely little canvas. So I'll try and skip through these boring bits. So next up I am going to put this, that's my champagne gold, which is 50% gold, 50% metallic silver, and it makes a lovely champagne gold. Add in a little bit more of the sparkling avocado. This is going to be a background, just something a little bit different. Add in some sort of texture effect in my background for what I want to do. Now these are really quite simple little pours. You kind of just work in the paint. So I believe, anybody can have a go at this and anybody can do it. It's quite easy for a beginner to do with your family or friends. It's quite an easy little project to make your very own wall art. And you can add and take away whatever you feel during the process. So I'm leaving that as my little background, and now I'm doing a giant puddle. Done a few of these and they've turned out so lovely that I've just had so many people wanting to videos on them because they're simple to do, and believe it or not, they're simplistic, and it started off with a happy accident, but offers to buy the work has just gone through the roof. So there you go. I don't see the attraction more so than some of my other pieces that I think are fabulous. But then that's it. It's beauty is in the eye of the beholder. So I'm pushing that little puddle out with my little mini dryer on. I'm actually got it on a low speed, so it's a bit more controllable. You don't get paint shooting out the door. So it's just go along and spread it out like that. I will be certainly tidying this up. And of course, my balloon always adds the fantastic embellishment. But when you see the end piece, it does look really nice. I really like it. But if there's parts of it you're not happy with, like I wasn't there, just keep working it. And if not, the worst comes to the worst. You scrape the paint off and start again. It's that simple. So it doesn't look much there, but the amount of attention it got, I was kind of blown away, so I thought I'd have to show you how I did it. So see the dried piece, and wait on because I've got bonus videos happening. See, look at it when it dried. It obviously, the colours or something about it attracted a lot of people. So I don't see the full attraction myself. I enjoyed creating it, but I don't quite see. So that's it. Different strokes for different folks. So wait on for the bonus videos.
Easy rider on the highway, station wagon going slow. Windows open, you are basking in the bluegrass radio. It is easy now to see you with your hand out on the wind. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Pink azaleas by your driveway shade our leisurely goodbyes. In your terry cotton sweater with your arms sweeping the sky. It was then I had a knowing you were waving till the bend. I keep this folded at the corner so that I could not forget. Folded at the corner so that I could not forget.
Tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time. You gotta let me know if I'm out of line. But there's some words that I just wanna hear you say, to put it all straight before this night turns into day, and then I'm on my way. Yeah. Yes, I'm on my way. A bit naive and so eager to please. You know I played for love, but it got me on my knees. Now's the time to reap what I've sown. Your words echoing in every single bone. Underwater, so far out at sea, there's no cure for what you're telling me, and soon I'm on my way.